Everything announced at Reliance AGM 2021. JioPhone Next, optimized Android developed by Google and Jio Smart Camera with R filters. It'll be most affordable smartphone globally. Language translation voice assistant launching on Jio 5G, 100% homegrown 5G solution, standalone 5G technology, 1 gigabit per second speed tested. First to launch 5G network, seamless 4G to 5G upgrade, 5G in healthcare and education, developed expertise in Jio Telecom, 435 million plus total subscribers. First operator outside China to have more than 400 million subs, world's second largest telecom. 630 crores GBs monthly traffic, but still, 300 million 2G users in India. 3 million users JioFiber users. Largest and fastest growing broadband in India. Green energy, new energy business for green energy, 60,000 crore investment. 4 gigafactories in Jamnagar, 100 gigawatts production solar energy by 2030, India's first world-scale carbon fiber plant.